Hello everyone. Today is lecture number 6 and our topic is chain of thought prompting. Have you ever asked AI a question and gotten a completely wrong answer even though it sounded confident? That's because sometimes AI jumps to the final answer without reasoning. But what if you could make it think out loud before answering? That's what today's concept, chain of thought prompting, is all about. So, what is chain of thought prompting? Chain of thought prompting means you guide the AI to explain its reasoning step by step, not just give an answer. This technique is especially helpful when the problem is complex, it involves logic, math, or decision making. You want the AI to be more transparent and do some brainstorming with you. For example, write a prompt: what's 37 multiplied by 13? AI might say 481. Maybe right, maybe wrong. You don't know how it got there. Now give the same prompt but with a chain of thought. Be it like, what's 37 multiplied by 13? Think step by step. AI will now reply you step by step. It will break it down and then give you the answer. Now you see the logic and you can trust the result. Chain of thought prompting works really well for math problems, code debugging, scenario based questions, ethical decision making, and language puzzles. Anytime you want the AI to slow down and reason, use chain of thought prompting. Simple triggers like think step by step, or explain your reasoning, or let's break this down, walk me through the process. These activate the model's reasoning mode. Let's say you give this prompt: a farmer has 15 sheep and all but 8 run away. How many sheep are left? Think step by step. The AI now replies: the farmer has 15 sheep, all but 8 run away means 8 stayed. So the answer is 8 sheep are left. You can combine COT with few short examples like this. If a bottle cost $1.10 and the bottle cost $1 more than the cap, how much is the cap? Let's think step by step. It will show you the reasoning. Now, your turn. Jane is twice as old as Tom. In 5 years, she will be 10 years older than Tom. How old are they? The model uses the first solution as a blueprint, the one with the bottle cost, and then it responds the second question using the first as an example, and it will also give you reasoning. Try these prompts on ChatGPT or Gemini. Give it a prompt without COT, like, what's the best way to reduce food waste at home? Now give another prompt but with COT, like, what's the best way to reduce food waste at home? Think step by step and consider habits, tools, and mindset. Chain of thought prompting gives you better answers by asking the model to slow down and explain. In short, don't just answer, think out loud. This technique builds trust, clarity, and more accurate results. See you in the next lesson.